What's going on, everyone? I am Muhammad Awais and welcome back to CarPursuit. Today we are in Guilin, Guangxi Province, China, getting behind the wheel of something very special. This is the all-new GWM Tank 700 Hi4-T, a luxury plug-in hybrid SUV that combines serious off-road capabilities and premium comfort and cutting-edge technology. Over the next few minutes, we will simply going for a drive. No complicated numbers, no endless spec sheets, just real driving. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go. The launch is surprisingly strong. You definitely feel the weight, but the hybrid system delivers plenty of instant torque. For a luxury SUV of this size, performance is seriously impressive. Tank aspect the SUV with modern driver assistance system, adaptive cruise control, lane centering, surround view cameras, multiple terrain modes. Everything works quietly in the background. Technology should make driving easier, not distract you. That's exactly how the system feels. After spending time behind the wheel, it's easy to understand why Chinese manufacturers are attracting so much attention. The Tank 700 Hi4-T isn't just trying to copy anyone, it brings together luxury, hybrid efficiency, modern technology, and genuinely road presence into one impressive package. Would I enjoy taking this on a long road trip? Absolutely. Thank you for joining me on today's drive through beautiful Guilin, Guangxi Province. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know which vehicle you would like to see next. This is CarPursuit. Drive, discover, pursue. See you next time. Bye. your feel feels so actual on actual roads. Let's get started. The first thing you notice is just how effortless it feels pulling away because of the electric motors. The acceleration from a standstill is immediate. There is no hesitation, no drama, just smooth, instant torque. To a vehicle this large, it's honestly feels much lighter than we did expect. The steering is right in the city, making parking in tight streets surprisingly easy. Now we are driving over some uneven city roads. Immediately, you can feel how well the suspension absorbs its perfection. Speed bumps, broken pavement, expansion joints, the cabin remains composed. Passenger hardly notice what's happening underneath. It's definitely leans more towards comfort than sportiness. If you're spending hours behind the wheel, then exactly what you want. Inside the cabin feels properly premium, soft leather, large digital display, quality materials, everything feels solid. Road noise is minimal. Wind noise is well controlled. Even with traffic around us, the cabin stays remarkably quiet. This is the kind of SUV where long journeys would be genuinely relaxing. Now we are joining the expressway, pressing the accelerator, power comes in effortlessly. The electric motors provide instant response while the engine joins in smoothly. Overtaking slower traffic feels completely effortless. There's plenty of confidence available whenever you need it. Let's find a safe section of the road, drive more straight, foot on the brake,